woke up feeling energized. This is our makeup look for today. My dream sofa just arrived. Meron akong speaking engagement. Mag-haul tayo. Hello, you guys. So, in a few minutes, meron akong speaking engagement because I was invited by a master's class in DLSU Manila. I'm hella nervous. Like, Zoom meeting lang naman siya, guys. Pero like, still, like, kinakabahan pa rin ako somehow. Yung mga iba kasing invited doon, as in like, magagaling talaga sila magsalita. And napapanood ko din yung mga videos nila online. Yung topic ko kasi would be about my life from transitioning from agency life to content creator life. So parang, alam mo yun, chichika lang talaga ako doon. So parang medyo kinakabahan talaga ako kung like may sense ba or like may point yung mga pinagsasabi ko doon. And thank you so much also sa mga community na manonood mamaya in advance. The reality of going into a Zoom meeting, naka-forma or like naka-formal sa harap, sa taas pala, at nakapangbahay shorts sa baba. Favorite shorts ko to, guys. Favorite linen shorts ko to. Pwedeng pang bahay, pwede sa beach, ganyan. I-link ko sa baba if ever na interested din kayo.
It's super excited din kasi I really feel na marami tayong mapupunta.
Mamaya pa namang 8 PM. Pero yung presentation ko, nandito sa gabi. Kasi ito na yung start ng Zoom meeting. Kinakabahan ako. Lord, ko na bala sa akin. Hello everyone! Good evening and thank you sa pag-stay. Medyo kinakabahan din talaga ako pero sobrang dami kong natutunan. But at the end of the day, we are all content creators. Tapos na guys! Oh my God! Yung kaba ko talaga like, wow! Gosh, I'm so happy na it's done. And parang sabi naman ng friend ko na nanood na insightful naman daw yung mga pinagsasabi ko. Kasi nung tinanggap ko kasi itong webinar na to, parang alam mo yun, yung nasa isip ko lang talaga is that I really wanted to do something out of my comfort zone, like for a change, and do something that I don't regularly do, na parang pampagana ng utak, parang ganun. If you are like watching this, and if you want to go try something new, and push yourself like to do something na hindi mo usually ginagawa, I say go for it! Yeah! Good morning, you guys. It's another day. Another rainy day. Mga 2 AM na ako natulog and pagod na pagod ako. Tapos today, parang as much as tinatry ko gumising ng maaga, parang ano ba yung body ko? Parang pagod na pagod lang ako. So parang ngayon around 12 na. But anyway, the agenda today is that pipick upin na natin yung dress na pinagawa natin for the Cloak Creator Awards. Yun yung nasa last vlog natin na sinukat natin. Kasi this weekend na yung event. And then, imi-meet up ko rin yung friend ko. Magka-try kami ng new cafe around the area kung saan ako nagpatahi. So, yeah.
Caught in every moment. I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep on glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah, hold your head up high. I know sometimes.
Guys, I'm with Shampy. Dapat magka-cafe kami, pero ang bagsak nasa bahay. Bahay niya kami. Dahil napakalakas ng ulan. Gucci, isang meow naman dyan. Isang purr. Gucci. Good morning, my loves. I surprisingly woke up feeling energized today kahit na parang mga 3 AM, 4 AM na ako nakatulog kahapon. Hindi ko sure kung yung kape, kasi na ininom ko kahapon na super tagal. And this is our healthy lunch for today. Nag-grumble na yung chan ko, so bilisan natin. But tada! Hashtag healthy. #skinny, #where's my waist. Tapos may soup din tayo, but I have no idea what this is. Na-realize ko lang na shocks. Like, I'm so grateful na I get to wake up and not worry about preparing food because pagising ko, may message na ako ni mama, ano yung gusto kong kainin, kakainin ko ba to, initin niya na ba, ganun. Like, it's definitely a privilege. I'm really grateful na, alam mo yung pagising ko, may food na ako, hindi ko na kailangan problemahin, ano yung lulutuin, mag-grocery ba ako and all that, ganun. Hindi ko naman sinasabi to just because parang tamad ako like magluto and all that, ganun. But those are like the little things na like super na-appreciate ko talaga while living here at home. I really have this obsession of like moving out of this house or like my family's house, like bumukod and to have my own space. Pero like, sinishare ko din naman to like sa TikTok ko and all that na yun nga, may pros and cons talaga of moving out. Na parang syempre may gastos, but at the same time, you have your own space, your own like peace of mind, ganyan. Pero parang at the end of the day, parang feeling ko na mas nangingibabaw pa din sa akin na gusto ko lang mag-move out. Mainly because gusto ko lang talaga i-decorate yung space. Hindi ko nga rin alam na parang is it what I want people to perceive na dahil maganda lang yung house ko, like Instagrammable siya or aesthetic, parang this is the life that I aspire to be. Parang ganon. Ayoko na mag-move out lang just for the sake of content. Parang I'm sure naman na like yung mga creators na nakikita mo, they all have their own reasons on why they want to move out. Pero kasi parang dito naman sa bahay, like ito nga yung home na other people also pray for, diba? Na parang siguro tinitake for granted ko lang siya just because it's not my quote-unquote dream space, ganun. But it's still a luxury to be able to live in a home or like to be able to live with your family, parang ganun. Yun kasi yung tendency na gusto nating mag-aspire lagi of something bigger, something better. But at the same time, where we are right now is already something na okay, na something to be grateful for, diba? So, yun lang. Ang lalal ko na naman, di ba? Food for thought, literal. Eto. Ay, may bagong vlog si Rai. I love it. Hello, Rai. I'm watching your vlog. So, nung 7/7 sale, nag-hoard ako dito, guys. Wakame, seaweed. Super favorite ko to. Alam niyo yung kapag kunwari sa mga inari, na parang wrap, tapos may rice, tapos minsan may topping na ganito. Super favorite ko talaga to. So, parang imagine nyo, guys, na parang banchan style siya. Na, alam niyo yun, yung mga Korean na side dishes. So, ganun yung atake natin. Whee! Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Well, dami nating energy for today's video, no? So, today is the Club Creator Award. So, later, nag-book kami ng hotel para doon na kami magpe-prepare and all that. Tapos, diretso na sa event later. Sa may Makati area siya. Ito pala yung breakfast natin today. Pinipare ko to kahapon. So, this is our breakfast for today. It's chia pudding with avocado. Guys, we are currently on the way sa hotel and mag-nail polish ako kasi nakalimutan ko mag-nail polish nung isang araw. So, I chose the color red kasi black yung theme ng event. So, red na lang. Parang mahirap na challenge to. Parang mamaya na lang dapat. Oh my gosh guys, ang daming nangyayari but we're already checked in here sa Y2 Residences. So kasama ko si Joss tsaka si Coles. And then nandito na aking H1 team! Hello! Si Carla and si Arlon again, as always. Arlene does makeup. So sila yung gagawa na hair and makeup ko. Ang dami nangyayari. So baka hindi ko na kayo guys ma-update mamaya. Pero kasi mag-shoot ako ng transition, ng mga TikTok and all that, ganun. But yeah, abangan na lang natin later ang final outcome. I'm so excited!
Kilala lang natin.
Get ready me papuntang langit. Hi! Guys, this is our makeup look for today and our hair. Pero magbihis na tayo na outfit para overall look na ang atake natin.
Hindi, i-film mo yan. I-film mo talaga sis. Ayun po ang photographer.
Si Gosh, ang ating resident photographer.
Yes!
Okay, so before we end this vlog, mag-haul tayo. Very quick haul ng mga 7-7 purchases ko. Actually, hindi lahat to, pero ito na lang yung mga nakita ko kasi sabay-sabay din sila dumating. So, we have 3 items in total. So, I finally got myself an Anker power bank. So, sobrang tagal kong nag-antay ng power bank. Nag-abang talaga ako ng sales. For context kasi, yung power bank ko before, yung parang kinakabit lang siya dito sa ilalim. And then, parang 1 year after, like kapag kinakabit ko siya, hindi na siya gumagana. So, inaabangan ko tong si Anker kasi nakita ko nga sa friend ko nung nagbalaba kami. Yun yung power bank niya. This is how it looks like. This is how our Anker power bank looks like. Super slim lang, guys. There's a bit of weight to it, pero hindi naman yung tipong super like heavy na tatamarin ka na dalhin. And what I love about this is that mag-safe siya. So, alam mo yun, attach na lang. Ganun mo lang siya. And it's charging. Ayan, sakto lobat ako. So, diba, kung magpo-phone ako, at least like hawak-hawak ko lang siyang ganun. Ayoko kasi yung parang ang daming wires pa na nakakabit. So, kailangan ko pa dalhin yung power bank mismo. Tapos may wire pa ako and all that, ganun. So, at least nakadikit na lang siyang ganyan sa phone ko. So, very compact. Tapos, like here sa bottom, kung may battery pa ba yung power bank mo. And then, on the side, just click that para mag-light up yun. Tapos, you charge it with the Type-C na charger kapag yung power bank. So, parang iwan mo lang siya like that and then, ano ka na, you're good to go. So, 15 watts na MagSafe compatible naman siya. So, mabilis din siya, fast charging din siya, which I really appreciate. And then, second purchase would be a phone case na may card slot. Pupunta kami sa Japan again in the next few weeks na lang ba? Yun. Pero hindi ko nabuksan, pero same lang naman siya. So, ganito kasi yung itsura ng previous na meron ako. Pero guys, grabe. Like, naninilaw na siya. Sobrang, naglagay kasi ako ng mga stickers and all that. So, medyo, alam mo yun, rugged na siya. So, I just bought the exact same one. Kasi gusto ko na kapag nagta-travel ako, kapag yung travel card ko, transit card, dito ko na lang siya nilalagay. Yan, may slot dito. So, para very convenient. If magti-train ako, tap lang or like tanggal mabilis, tap. Ganun. So, super bilis. Like, less than 100 pesos lang to, guys. So, super sulit. Lastly, something that I never thought I would buy. And that is a weighing scale. As in, like, feeling ko nandun na kami sa age na parang pinag-aagawan na namin ang weighing scale. Like, nung nag-dice game kami last year, para siyang, basta game siya, tapos may price. Tapos, may 2 pieces na ganito, tapos ito yung pinag-aagawan. So, hindi ako nanalo doon, diba? So, bumili na lang ako. Kasi nga, parang feeling ko na nasa health journey ako, ganon. And I've been like taking like meal plan. I'm trying to watch what I eat, ganon. So, gusto ko lang makita if I'm losing weight na ba or overweight na ba ako, ganon. So, kunwari, aapak ka lang ganyan, tapos sa digital na siya. So, paano ba kayo guys mag-weigh sa weighing scale? Like, nakahubad and hindi basa yung buhok. Kasi ganun yung napansin ko. Like, if hindi basa yung buhok mo and nakahubad ka, mas magaan ka. Pero, if may damit ka, naaapak ka, mas mabigat ka. So, in short, mas magaan ka talaga versus what you expect yourself to be. I mean, yung reasoning ko nung nag-onsen kami before sa Japan. So, syempre, like, wala kang damit, pero basa yung buhok mo. So, kapag mag-weigh-in ka, alam mo yun, parang lighter ka kapag versus may damit ka. Gets nyo ba where I'm coming from? Basta, yun ang main point ko. Basta huwag nyo isipin na mabigat kayo. Isipin nyo na lang na dahil basa yung buhok nyo or mabigat yung damit nyo. Okay, yun na guys. So, I hope na parang enough clips naman na tong video na to for my week or like for this vlog. So, thank you so much again for supporting me and watching this vlog till the very end. Kahit na hindi ko alam, baka boring na to sa inyo. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching and till the next vlog. Bye-bye!